Have you ever wondered what happens when a car stops trying to compete and instead defines the meaning of automotive luxury? The 2027 Rolls-Royce Phantom isn't just another flagship luxury sedan. It's a statement of success, craftsmanship, and effortless prestige. But in a world where ultra-luxury EVs and high-tech limousines are becoming more common, is the Phantom still the ultimate choice? Or is it simply an expensive symbol? But here's the real question. Is it actually worth the money? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're taking a deep dive into the 2027 Rolls-Royce Phantom, one of the most prestigious luxury sedans ever built. This isn't a car designed to chase lap times or fuel economy records. Instead, it's built to deliver an unmatched level of comfort, refinement, and exclusivity that very few vehicles can offer. The first thing you'll notice is its commanding presence. The iconic Pantheon grille, spirit of ecstasy hood ornament, laser LED lighting, and perfectly proportioned body give the Phantom an unmistakable road presence. Every detail feels handcrafted rather than mass-produced. While rivals like the Bentley Flying Spur, Mercedes-Maybach S-Class, and even the Cadillac Celestiq offer their own interpretations of luxury, the Phantom still stands alone in terms of timeless elegance and craftsmanship. Under the hood, the Phantom continues with its legendary 6.5-liter twin turbocharged V12, producing around 563 horsepower and 664 pound-feet of torque. It's paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission that delivers power so smoothly you barely notice the shifts. Performance isn't about speed alone, although a 0 to 60 time of around 5 seconds is impressive for such a massive sedan. Instead, it's about effortless acceleration and near-silent cruising. Let's be real, nobody buys a Phantom because it's fuel efficient. Expect roughly 13 to 19 miles per gallon, depending on driving conditions. Fuel costs will be significant, but if you're shopping in this segment, that's probably the least of your concerns. Inside, the Phantom feels more like a private luxury lounge than a traditional automobile. Every surface is wrapped in premium leather, genuine wood veneers, polished metal, and hand-finished details. The famous Starlight headliner creates an atmosphere that few competitors can match. Rear passengers enjoy executive seating with generous legroom, massage functions, reclining seats, fold-out tables, and exceptional ride comfort. Even long journeys feel relaxing rather than tiring. Technology has also evolved. The infotainment system features a large high-resolution display, wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, premium navigation, a world-class bespoke audio system, and advanced voice controls. Safety technology includes adaptive cruise control, lane-keeping assistance, night vision, automatic emergency braking, surround view cameras, and advanced parking assistance. It blends modern convenience with traditional luxury instead of overwhelming the driver with unnecessary complexity. Cargo space is respectable for a limousine, providing enough room for luxury travel luggage. Although practicality clearly isn't the Phantom's primary mission, towing capability is not officially emphasized because this vehicle is designed exclusively for luxury transportation rather than utility. Now let's talk about price. The 2027 Rolls-Royce Phantom is expected to start around $550,000, and customized, bespoke models can easily exceed $700,000. Ownership costs are equally substantial. Annual insurance can range from $8,000 to over $15,000 depending on location. Routine maintenance, premium tires, and specialized servicing can easily cost several $1,000s every year. Depreciation is relatively stable compared to many luxury cars, especially for well-optioned examples. But buyers should still expect a significant financial commitment. The pros are clear: extraordinary craftsmanship, unmatched ride comfort, incredible V12 refinement, limitless customization, prestigious brand heritage, and exceptional long-distance comfort make it one of the finest luxury sedans ever created. The cons are equally important. Its purchase price is extraordinarily high, fuel economy is poor, maintenance costs are substantial, and advanced technology still trails some newer competitors focused on digital innovation. It's also far too large for many urban environments. So should you buy it? If you're seeking the absolute pinnacle of handcrafted luxury, timeless design, and effortless comfort, the 27 Rolls-Royce Phantom remains one of the smartest purchases in the ultra-luxury market. However, if you prioritize cutting-edge technology, better efficiency, or stronger overall value, competitors like the Mercedes-Maybach S-Class or Cadillac Celestiq may offer a more balanced package at a significantly lower price. The final verdict is simple. The 2027 Rolls-Royce Phantom isn't designed to be practical or affordable. It's designed to be the ultimate expression of luxury. And in that mission, it succeeds brilliantly. For the right buyer, it's not just a car, it's an experience few vehicles in the world can match. Subscribe for more automotive analysis, because we don't just review cars, we break down whether they actually make sense to buy.